What's going on at Storey Lake, man? Well, tell me a little bit about that.
When it comes to short-term rentals, the Airbnbs, there's one person that I know that's knee-deep in the game that makes it happen. Storey Lake King, full down Dillan to my right. Your property is, you have a pool, you have the grill, it's fully furnished, you have everything you need. You feel like you're in a palace.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying? And you feel like, wow, I could live here forever. I could do this every time. And anytime I want to come to Florida, this is where I want to be. Like, that's the vibe that Storey Lake and these properties give you. And Storey Lake is one of the main properties that anyone, if you haven't thought about buying a property that can, give you a nice return on your investment, it's Storey Lake, which is located in the heart of Central Florida, close to Disney, but it has a water park. It's just central to everything. You only got a few properties left, and that particular property is located where you can get the best bang for your buck.
Yeah, Storey Lake is where it's at. For those looking to get into the Airbnb game, I mean, Storey Lake is where you want to purchase. I know it's in the 500 to 600,000s right now. I mean, you was on the sideline waiting. You should have got in 2-3 years ago, 4 years ago. You could have caught one at a very significant price. But Storey Lake is where you want to be right now, man. The Airbnbs are on fire right now. You know what I'm saying?
Storey Lake. 2015, 2016, Storey Lake townhomes were running about 250,000. Those same townhouses today are running a little under 600,000.
It's crazy.
But I could say this one thing: even if you bought at today's prices, you will definitely get a return on your investment, ROI, because the bookings are unbelievable. People need a place to stay when they come to Orlando. They want to stay in a place that is nice, that has the amenities, that has the comfortability, flexibility, and the location. So you're in a great place. If you decided that you want to purchase a property like that to get a return on your investment, Storey Lake is where it's at.
For sure, for sure. So if anyone's out there, if you have family members or friends looking to get into the short-term rental game, looking to get on, rental property, maybe you need someone to help manage and run your property, get in contact with us. We can definitely steer you in the right direction when it comes to the short-term rental, and Airbnb management will take great care of you.